What's up, Spoo Gang? I did a thing. I got a bike. I got a Yamaha VStar 1100, and I'm just learning how to ride. That's it over there. Just rode it. Let's take a look at it. So this is my Yamaha VStar 1100 cc's. It is a 2005. It's carbureted. I didn't want carbureted, but the owner before took decent care of it. So it starts up pretty good, and it's a 1100. At first, to be honest, I didn't even want an 1100 because, you know, being a first-time rider, I thought it was a little much for me. But these are different than the sports bikes. They're not going to be as fast. So 1100 in a cruiser is not the same as 1100 in a sports bike. So, you know, it's all a learning curve for me. I'm a car guy. So it came with this Mustang seat, which is upgraded. Been getting a lot of compliments on that. Very, very comfortable, like a couch. And I like this back support it has right here. The bike is torquey, so once I hit it, it takes off. So the first time riding home was a little sketchy, trying to get used to all that torque. That's my fuel. Got it on off right now. This one has about 21,000 on it, so it's kind of a high mileage bike for New England, but it is a 2005, and he took good care of it. No falls, no scrapes on the side. As you can see, the tank didn't have rust in it. There's some things I'm gonna change. What I want to do is change that headlight. I got an LED one coming in. That should be fun. Does have a newer clutch in there. He just did 2 years ago. So I'm happy I got 1100 because I feel like it's just a perfect amount of power for me, and I am a heavier guy. It picks up pretty quick. Getting used to turning it. It is a wide gas tank on there, so have to get used to turning it, and just used to how it handles, but I'm getting the hang of it. I'm gonna have some driving footage for you guys, see how that turns out. Got the GoPro on the helmet, and hopefully that turns out good. All right, I'll check back in with you guys. Tires are good too, so you guys can see that. Came with the saddlebags, you know. Got the saddlebags like a cowboy. Front tire's good. I never thought I would get a bike, and never thought I would like this style, but it grew on me, and love the way it rides. Way different experience than driving. Got to be on your P's and Q's, I's and T's. Starting it up. Got the choke on. Let it warm up. Hands up. drink when you're on a bike. Well, I ain't. Made myself a little rule. You know what I'm saying? No throttle. You know what I'm saying? Get up on that, man. See how it feels. So glad I got a 1100cc. Good. This is only my second week of driving it. You know, first week barely doing anything. This week doing a lot more driving in the town. So definitely something you gotta keep on. If you get a bike, I recommend just keep on it, man. Keep riding a little bit here, a few minutes here, a few minutes there, just around the block. Get a little confidence. Take it on that 5-minute trip. Take it on that 10-minute trip. You know, my first trip I was doing 25. Now I could do, you know, normal speeds. But we get used to it. It's crazy actually feeling the wind and the elements. That's the one thing that kind of throws me off. Still feeling that cold air hit you and stuff, especially when you get going. So that's the one thing that I gotta get used to. Guess it will come with time. I don't know how people go on the highways. I haven't done that yet. Waiting to get a little more comfortable with the bike at speeds. Getting more comfortable with the shifting. You know, the real thing is the cornering on the bike, man. You gotta learn how to slow down and do smooth cornering. Hit that corner smooth. You know what I'm saying? You gotta know how your bike takes the corner, how you can take the corner actually. Don't ride outside your skill set. So it's all a building thing. Like, you know, I get a little bit better, but I'm still shaking on taking those corners. You know what I'm saying? So things I'm learning, still learning, but I enjoy it. It's a challenge each and every ride. Gotta be vigilant. It's power rating, so you know you gotta look for revs. Well, I guess if you finely tune, this bike is finely tuned, you really don't need it, but I like to do it just to remind myself, wake myself up, be like, hey, you're riding a bike here. Gas, clutch, glass, clutch, you know what I'm saying? So, and the hardest thing is the blinkers. The blinkers are over here, and you gotta remember to cancel them. So, that's a little hard, especially when you're riding a bike, like making that extra step. But other than that, feeling good. Different level of focus too. I'm glad I got to start a little earlier in the season. You kind of get comfortable with the bike, and when it's kind of cooler out, you know, I imagine if it's hot, you're thirsty, it might make it a little more difficult to concentrate. But I'm riding in like 60-degree weather, 50 degrees, so you know, I put a layer up, and the cold air kind of wakes me back up. You know, like, you're on a bike, man. You gotta focus, man. This is serious-ish, man. You know what I mean? So we out here. It's crazy. I never pictured myself on a bike. That's how life is, man. You just, sometimes you just get that itch or get that idea, and like, why not? I can do it. See? You gotta take the corner nice and slow. a good bike at the end of the day, within your skill set. So it's not a pride thing. It's just like you gotta learn how to control your bike. See, it's all there. You know, so it's just a constant focus thing, man. Constant. It's not like you can't ease up off of it. Clutch control is a big thing with bikes. Hitting the corners, taking off, slowing down. You can really control the bike if you know your friction zone, know your clutch, how to engage it, how to take off, smooth takeoff.